Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out a new Afro V-part kinky curly wig that I've been really excited about. I've been wanting something quick, easy, and low maintenance, something I can just put on without glue or too much styling. I've actually seen this wig all over TikTok, so I knew I had to get it. So this one right here is a 22-inch, 180 density V-part with soft bouncy curls at the end. The hair feels really soft, and for this to be synthetic, it's surprisingly natural looking. It's not overly shiny or stiff, and the curls have a really nice spring to them. It also comes with snap clips along the V-part, combs around the construction, and an adjustable hook strap in the back. So it is definitely beginner friendly. I thought it would be perfect for days when I don't feel like doing my natural hair, but still want that full curly look. The density also feels very full, but not heavy. I only got a few strands of shedding here and there, but honestly, it was nothing too noticeable. I already have my hair braided down underneath, so I'm just going to line up the V part and start clipping it in. Okay, y'all, so what are we thinking? I absolutely love how this hair looks and feels on me. And it honestly feels like natural hair. It doesn't need much styling at all. And mind you, this is in the color black, which I never get, by the way. I always go with 1B, so I wasn't exactly sure how this hair would look on me, but I absolutely love it. Guys, this video is not sponsored at all. I did order this with my own money. They also have many different color options that I might check out as well. But overall, this synthetic wig, hands down, would definitely be in rotation. So right now, I'm going to straighten a bit of my leave out just to see how well it blends with the hair. Now, obviously, my hair texture is a little different, so instead of forcing it to blend together, I decided to section off two small pieces in the front and pull them back into a ponytail. And that small detail really helps the wig look more natural and frames my face nicely. Okay, so this definitely looks better than I expected it to, but I think next time I put this wig on, I will be doing the no leave out method. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and separate some of the curls at the bottom, and this is going to help the hair look more fuller and a bit more natural. right, y'all, so here's the finished look. I really like how soft and full the hair is. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair and wig reviews. I'll leave the link to this wig in the description box if you'd like to check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.